Imagine standing at the center of a great dance. The movements are harmonious, flowing with beauty and grace. Each dancer moves in perfect unity with the others, creating something far greater than any individual could achieve alone. This is a glimpse into the mystery of the Trinity, a relationship of perfect love and unity between Father, Son, and Spirit. The Holy Trinity is not a distant theological concept. It is the heart of our faith and the foundation of all creation. God, in His very being, is a community of love, inviting us to share in that love and reflect it in our relationships with one another and with all of creation. On Trinity Sunday, we celebrate the divine union of humanity with Father, Son, and Spirit, a mystery that draws us deeper into the love of God and into communion with each other. The Trinity reveals a God who is relational. From the beginning, God's love has overflowed into creation. The Father's love is expressed through the Son, and the Spirit carries that love to all the earth. The divine relationship is not just something we observe. It is something we are invited to participate in. The Trinity shapes the way we see ourselves, others, and the world. It reminds us that we are not isolated individuals, but part of a larger story of love and connection. Psalm 8 beautifully captures this dynamic. It begins with awe at God's majesty. Lord, our Lord, how majestic is your name in all the earth. And then it marvels at the way humanity is woven into this majesty. What are human beings that you are mindful of them? Mortals that you care for them. The psalmist recognizes that God's love and care extend to all creation, binding everything together in a divine relationship. Today, as we reflect on the mystery of the Trinity, we are reminded of the union between God and humanity, and of our calling to live as people shaped by that union. The Father, Son, and Spirit invite us into a love that heals, restores, and reconciles. Through the Trinity, we are drawn into a relationship with God and with one another that reflects the divine unity of heaven and earth. The mystery of the Trinity is not something to be solved, but something to be celebrated. It is a reminder that God is not distant, but near, not singular, but communal, not static, but dynamic. As we marvel at the majesty of God revealed in creation, may we also embrace the love of the Father, the grace of the Son, and the fellowship of the Spirit. Lord, our Lord, how majestic is your name in all the earth. You have set your glory in the heavens. Through the praise of children and infants, you have established a stronghold against your enemies, to silence the foe and the avenger. When I consider your heavens, the work of your fingers, the moon and the stars which you have set in place, what is mankind that you are mindful of them? Human beings that you care for them. You have made them a little lower than the angels and crowned them with glory and honor. You made them rulers over the works of your hands. You put everything under their feet, all flocks and herds, and the animals of the wild, the birds in the sky, and the fish in the sea, all that swim the paths of the seas. Lord, our Lord, how majestic is your name in all the earth. Let us rejoice in the majesty and mystery of our triune God, Father, Son, and Spirit, who unites us with Himself and with one another in love.